Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check watch time hours on your YouTube shorts. So you need to go into the YouTube studio, which I am on your laptop or your PC, whatever suits you. So once you are on YouTube studio, you want to go to the content tab right here. So click on to content, and right now it's showing all the data for my videos, but we want to get the watch time for our shorts. So then you have to click on this shorts tab at the top, and this will give you the information about your shorts. So you can see it says views, shorts in feeds, likes and subscribers. So there is no watch time over there, but what you have to do is you have to click on this button that says see more. So click on to see more. It's going to open up the advanced editor. It's going to open up the advanced analytics of your YouTube shorts. So this is for the last 28 days. You can change the time frame if you want. I will leave it on last 28 days, and then you can click on this plus icon right here, and once you click onto that icon you want to find the option that says watch time. So here it is right at the top, watch time hours. Click on to watch time hours, and as you can see now, I can see my watch time hours for YouTube shorts. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.